Welcome to Rishvi Ltd. Introducing split packaging. Here, go to your order and copy your order ID. Go to Orders and click on Dispatch Console. Paste your ID and search here. Look down and click on Split Packages into. Enter the amount of split package and click Split Packaging. You can see your order has been splitted into packages. Click on Edit Packaging to edit your packages individually. Here, you can edit your packages individually. Click on Save. And finally, click on Process and you are done.